So the easiest way to make more money as a window cleaner is to cross-sell your services to your existing client base, which whacks your profit up massively. That is what you're trying to do. You don't have to go out, chase new work. You've got the work there. You cross-sell your services to your existing client base. That is where it is at. So you grow your client base as big as you can, as much as you can handle, and then cross-sell, cross-sell, cross-sell. Just keep banging at it so that you've got more and more of those customers that are having extras done every year. That is your aim. That will whack your profits through the roof. It's awesome. When you get to that level, that's what you're trying to achieve. And you watch your revenue grow, your net profit grow, more money to invest, your standard of living improves. That's what you're aiming to do. What I do is, because these days I had a lad, Ched. Hello, Ched. How are you, dude? But Ched last week came up with a good point. He said, well, we never see our customers, so how can we sell to them if we never see them? And I get that. I feel your pain, because a lot of the time we pick up work via WhatsApp, texting, email, that type of thing. That they fill out a contact form on your website, or they get you through other social media platforms that you've got out there, your marketing nets, as we've mentioned earlier. So you don't often get to meet the customer face to face, and then they will text you or message you a picture. You'll quote the job, you'll get the job, you'll start doing the job, you'll turn up, no one's there, you've texted them for access, you do the job, invoice, they pay by backs. So quite often you very, very rarely have face-to-face contact with your customers. So the way that I sell to existing customers, they're an existing client, you've built up a rapport, they trust you, they like the way you work, so they feel confident dealing with you. So it's much easier to get work from an existing customer than have to go out and chase new work. So if you don't have a great deal of contact with your client base, which is as it is these days, in the 21st century, then what I do is I pop a quote sheet through the door, quoting the various work that needs doing. I will pop my flyers through the door. There's my gutter vacuum flyer. There is my UPVC washdown flyer. And there is my general purpose flyer. And to highlight what you're trying to achieve here is, wouldn't you rather pull up to a job that's normally £30, you do it in 45 minutes, okay? Or you rock up, you're gonna be there 5 hours and you're gonna do £400 to £500. That's what you're aiming to do. You're aiming to be in one place at one time, doing a multitude of jobs, increasing your revenue substantially, which whacks your profit up massively. That is what you're trying to do.